Oh boy, here at Baylands, I got my pops with me. Hi, pops. And Ed's there. Hey, what's going on? Al? Yes. What do we got here, Al?
We got 12-foot flying foam.
Woo!
All this foam coming from Home Depot.
Oh, 12 foot of Home Depot foam. And we're going to plug it in. I'm going to maiden it for him, see if we got it flying. Ed and Nick are going to get some air-to-air. Oh, Jesse, you going to get air-to-air too? Yep. All right, well, we're going to get some great footage of it flying. All right, here at Baylands with Al and his 12-foot Home Depot plane. Home Depot, how doers get more done. Well, we managed to get the CG just right, and it only took 2 extra batteries and 2 extra water bottles to go in the hatch. If we put some ice in there, it'll be a nice igloo, a flying cooler. There's recording.
We're ready to launch HD 1, Home Depot 1. And the pilot, Tim Rodriguez. Walking it down the ramp.
How much else? 7? I think I'm on 6. Hey guys, we're about to, excuse me, we're going to maiden this giant plane. You might want to move a little bit just to be safe. Thanks. All right, go ahead. You got power. You got power. It's pulling? It's pulling.
Tim, you gonna go around and come back?
Yeah.
Are you gonna land it or are you just gonna circle?
Let's find out. I'm just play it by ear. We'll see how it feels. Rolling.
Clear.
Oh my God. I'm gonna do a nice slow pass from right to left. Okay. Nope. Huh? I'm coming back. Past the creek. Sorry. Holy crap. On his right wing. Gonna do a figure 8. Yeah.
Flies amazing. No, I mean, it's still heavy. No, it flies well. How about the tail? Still good?
Huh?
We try to take some of the load and fly it here. Like the battery.
I like moves. On his left wing? Perfect. He doesn't even have to move the control. No, it's perfect. You want me to land it on the path?
Yeah. Let's take one load out to see what it does.
No. It needs
It doesn't want to climb, or are you keeping it this high?
I'm keeping it nice and low. right, guys, we're gonna power up. That's full power. Yeah. So it's not gonna be doing no vertical.
Hey,
no crazy.
Hey Tim,
Yeah.
you might want to land and check the batteries.
Yep. I'm coming in right now. Although I've been babying the throttle.
Yeah, but just to see where it's at. Me and Clay, you don't want to push it.
I'm gonna go around.
Yeah.
I hate walking for my plane. So, yeah. And it's got so much mass, I have to cut the throttle way back there. First on the path. Yep. Dude, that was
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you.
Good job, Al.
You saved my life. Thank you.
It flies really well.
It took a lot of time.
If I hear Bubba hammer. Hold up. The plane. Al, you did a great job. It flies amazingly well. Wow. Good job.
This thing is heavy.
Hey, the wind is coming from back.
Yeah, it moved. Yeah. How you feel, Tim?
I think it's going to be good. It's only one way to find out. All right.
You might want to ask that family to move.
Try it, go ahead.
Got power? Got power.
It's pulling?
Okay, what do you, Tim, you gonna go around and come back?
Yeah.
Are you gonna land it or you just gonna circle?
Well,
It
let's
depends.
find out. I'm just play it by ear. We'll see how it feels. All right, so the batteries were at 3.95 on the voltage, so we have enough for a couple more flights. We're going up again. All right, let me put this. Damn, actually.
What are you doing? You gonna put it in there? Yeah, sorry.
Are we plugging in?
Facing forward or backward at the quads?
Facing backwards is probably best.
All right, here we go.
Are we plugging in?
Yeah, put it in front of the CV.
That doesn't pull up. I've got tape. Does anybody have tape? I got tape. It might pull up.
Is it?
It's just bungee on.
Anybody got gas? No, we're falling over. Just don't balance more hard.
Yeah, that GoPro's got a lot of great footage on it. Keep an eye out.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Clear.
Power check.
All right, and you guys just hey Jesse, hold on. Everybody scoot forward because I'm gonna come skim the ditch.
Yeah,
So I need you guys forward a little bit.
Guys, go back.
Yeah.
Taking off on the bridge.
Yeah. That should be good. All right, guys, and Papa, I'm gonna come skimming along the ditch, so just keep out of the
Yeah,
way.
so soon as you take off.
All right. You guys ready? All right, let's take off.
Watch out for that cone, by the way.
All right, taking off.
How was it? Is it still no, back heavy or nose heavy?
You don't feel good about it, and you don't have to do that.
Tammy, cross the fence.
All right, I'm coming back.
Hey, somebody in the road. Or no,
All right, making a right turn. All right, making a right turn and coming back along the ditch. No, GoPro fell out there.
I got it. I got an eye on it.
The propeller came off. That's what it was. Here we go.
Yeah, put it in front of the CV. Anybody got gas?
Oh man, the stuff we do for footage out here. Where'd the propeller go?